Hey guys, it's Joe from Profitwolf. In this video series, I want to show you exactly how you can dropship on Amazon. And in this first part, we're going to see how to add items to your Amazon Seller Central. So without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing that you have to do is have a website where you're going to have items that you're going to sell on Amazon, and the website that I'm going to use here is FFX. Why FFX? Because FFX, they do not put invoices or include any pricing in their packages. It means that you can directly ship items from FFX to your Amazon customer without the customer knowing that you bought this item at a lower price. You're going to look for the barcode. The barcode, also called the EAN code, and you're going to copy that. Usually it's 13 digits, so you're going to copy this. Then you'll go to your Amazon Seller Central account, and so this is a brand new account that I created just to show you how I do things without showing you my numbers. And then you'll go to add a product, and you'll go to list a new product, search, and if the item is on Amazon, it will successfully display it. So here you can see the item exists on Amazon, and if you're allowed to sell it, it will show it here, new, sell yours. So if you can sell it, it will be shown here. If you cannot sell it as new, then probably you'll just have used condition and then new underneath. So it's fine, I can sell it, so I'm just gonna do sell yours. Then you have to pick your price. So obviously you want to make a profit, so you're gonna have to choose a price where you make a profit. And for that, what I have is a sort of Excel sheet. It's a Google sheet where I list all my products. So again, here it's a brand new one, and this item here, I can purchase it for £62. So I'm going to put the price here, price FFX, it will be 62 including VAT. Then we're also going to put the link here, FFX link. This I can remove it for now. And you see that here the recommended price according to my to what I want to do is 91.18. So there's a quite easy but long formula to do that. And basically what this does is the more expensive the item, the less return on investment I need to make a profit. So here, if I sell this for 91.18, I will be making a profit of £9.66, which is really good, with an ROI of 19 and a margin of 13. So I'll go here, I'll put 91.18. I don't need to fill this in right now. It will do it automatically for me. And then you'll go for quantity. I like to put 3 because when you put 3, what it does is that when your item is listed on Amazon, it will show it as, be careful, this item is almost running out of stock. So it gives an incentive for customers to buy more. And then the condition will be new. And you're going to choose, I will ship this item myself. You save and finish. And then after 2 or 3 minutes, your item should be visible in your Amazon Seller Central account. And you see the SKU here, you're going to copy that and you're going to go to your Google Sheet and you're just going to paste that here. And that's it. Let's just add another one. So for example, this one here, again, you copy the barcode, also called the EAN code in Europe or UPC code in the United States. And you paste that here and you see if the item is on Amazon. Yes, it is. Sell yours. And again, the price that you buy it for is 79. So you're just going to do the same thing. You do 79. Okay, 79, and you see that if I sell it for 79, the recommended Amazon price, listing price, will be 116, and my estimated profit will be 1231. So let's just copy this and paste it here. The link. My price will be 116.18. 18, quantity 3, condition new. I will ship this myself, so that's really important because you want to ship it yourself. You don't want to do FBA, you want to do FBM. Save and finish. And now you see that the item is being added, so you just copy the SKU. You go to your catalog, paste this in stock. In stock means that they have that FFX has your item in stock. Now I know that I didn't look at the keeper graph when I listed this item. Let's actually look at the keeper graph. What you see is that this item here is being sold by Amazon for 62 and I'm selling it for 91. Was it? Yeah, for 91. So I know that I'm not gonna make crazy sales with this item, but if you look at this keeper graph, for example, you see that there's periods where Amazon is out of stock, and when that happens, the price increases. So for example, here we went up to 87 without delivery. So if you had delivery, it's probably going to go up to 95 or something. So I'm counting on the fact that Amazon will run out of stock for me to sell this item. And yeah, if you want to, you can actually lower your price. You can put it for, I don't know, maybe like 85 or something, and you'll still make some profit. And the reason I don't care so much about looking at keeper graphs is that this is a numbers game. When you do drop shipping, you don't take any risk. You don't buy inventory. What you're doing is you're just listing as many items as possible. So yeah, if I have 2 items, I'm not going to make any money. Maybe I'm going to sell 1 unit per month. But if I have 100 items, then I can start making some money. Maybe I can start making 1 sale every day. And if I have 1,000 items, then I can start, making maybe 10 sales every day. And then you can start making some nice income. In order to list 1,000 items, yes, you have to work a lot, but it's worth it because you take very low risk. So if you have time, and if you can even delegate this to someone, then you can just add many items. The other important thing here is that the prices that you see here, you have to update them because they're going to change. For example, today the price is 62, but tomorrow it might change. So what you have to do is every day make sure the price is the same. And if you want to be even more comfortable, check many times per day, maybe check 3 times per day that the price hasn't changed. And yes, I know that if you have 100 items, that's a lot of work, but it's worth it. So if you can delegate this to someone, or if you have time yourself, then definitely do it. If you want to do this in a more automated way, you can use Profitwolf, and Profitwolf will automatically update the prices for you. It will automatically keep this in sync for you, but you don't have to use Profitwolf. You can do everything manually. And last thing, if you want to have access to this nice Google Sheet here, what you have to do is join our Facebook group, because everything we share is on the Facebook group. So once you join the group, you'll have access to these tricks. It should be in the documents section. In order to join the Facebook group, you have to answer 3 small questions, and then you'll get in. If you don't answer the questions, then you won't get in, because what we try to do is we try to get rid of spammers and bots and people who are just there to pollute the group. So answer those questions and then you'll get in the group, and then you'll get access to the Google Sheet. That's it for the video. I hope it was informative, and stay tuned for the next ones. Have a good one. See ya.